What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we turn leftovers into culinary masterpieces. Today, we're diving into 7 creative recipes using leftover tater tots. That's right, we're about to get ridiculously delicious with these tater tot creations. Get ready to drool, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome food hacks. Let's get started. First up, tater tot breakfast casserole. It's like a party in your mouth. Here's how to make it. Layer tater tots, scrambled eggs, cheese, and bacon in a casserole dish. Bake until golden and bubbly. Enjoy. Get ready for the ultimate game day snack, tater tot nachos. We're ditching the tortilla chips and piling on all the good stuff. Here's the game plan. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We need those tots nice and crispy. Spread a single layer of tater tots on a baking sheet. No overlapping. Everyone deserves their time to shine. Bake for 15 minutes, then flip those tots like a boss. Spread tater tots on a baking sheet, top with cheese, jalapenos, and your favorite nacho toppings. Bake until the cheese is melted. Dig in. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to blow your mind with tater tot pizza. We're swapping out the traditional crust for a crispy golden brown tater tot base. Trust me, it's a game changer. Here's how we roll. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gotta get that oven nice and toasty. Press those leftover tater tots into a pizza pan, forming a beautiful, crispy crust. Spread a layer of your favorite pizza sauce. Go crazy, get saucy. Sprinkle on a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Add your favorite toppings. Bake until the cheese is bubbly. Slice and serve. For the ultimate comfort food mashup, try Tater Tot grilled cheese. This is pure, cheesy, crispy, gooey goodness, perfect for a cozy meal. Here's how to make it. First, heat a skillet over medium heat and melt a tablespoon of butter. Gotta keep things nice and buttery. Place a slice of bread on the skillet, then layer on a slice of American cheese and a generous handful of tater tots. Top it off with another slice of cheese and another slice of bread. Grill until golden and crispy. This is a sandwich of epic proportions. Chapter 6, Waffles just got a whole lot more fun with Tater Tot waffles. Waffles are getting a serious upgrade with these epic Tater Tot waffles. We're talking crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and bursting with flavor. All right, waffle enthusiasts, here's the play. First, preheat your waffle iron to medium heat. We want those waffles golden brown and delicious. Next, in a large bowl, combine those leftover tater tots with some shredded cheddar cheese, because cheese makes everything better. Then spoon the mixture onto your preheated waffle iron and cook for about 5 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Serve with your favorite waffle toppings. Delicious. Now let's take a detour into the world of Italian comfort food with a twist. Tater tot lasagna. Imagine layers of golden tater tots, creamy ricotta cheese, savory marinara sauce, and gooey mozzarella all baked to perfection. It's a lasagna like no other. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 190 degrees Celsius. In a baking dish, start with a layer of tater tots at the bottom. Spread a layer of creamy ricotta cheese over the tots, followed by a generous amount of marinara sauce. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Repeat the layers. More tater tots, another layer of ricotta cheese, the rest of the marinara sauce, and another hefty layer of mozzarella cheese on top. Pop your lasagna into the preheated oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Let it cool slightly before diving in. There you have it, Tater Tot lasagna, a cheesy layered delight that's sure to become a family favorite. Chapter 7, the coziest soup you'll ever slurp, Tater Tot soup. Get ready to warm your soul with a big bowl of Tater Tot soup. This creamy, cheesy soup is loaded with chunks of potatoes, bacon, and of course, those irresistible tater tots. It's the ultimate comfort food. Here's how to whip up this cozy masterpiece. Simmer tater tots, chicken broth, cream, and your favorite veggies in a pot. Blend until smooth and creamy, perfect for a chilly day. See you later, tater haters. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed these creative tater tot recipes. We took those leftovers to a whole new level. Which recipe are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the crazy food adventures coming up. Peace out!